the sky. An endless source of amusement for sure. So, when I woke up this morning, I didn't think much of the storm from last night. That is, until I went to walk my dogs. And then, when I did, I found that. Now that is the branch of the tree that I used to hang from, like, all the time as a elementary schooler. And it kind of pains me to see it down like that. Let's just go check it out. That kind of depresses me now. That one little random storm could do all of that damage. And this isn't even anything compared to Hurricane Irene that passed through our island about 4 or 5 months ago, and it completely uprooted my mother's favorite apple tree and sent it crashing into the shed in the backyard. I guess this is one of life's lessons. If you want to act like a kid, you can't act like a kid when you're 21 years old.